Hey, what's happening everyone? It's me, Damien O'Brien, and welcome to today's video. Now today I am unboxing the brand new iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch version. I'm super excited to open it up. It's the one with the M2 chip as well, so it's the latest and greatest of the iPads. I've also been sent the Magic Keyboard to go with the iPad Pro, as well as the pencil as well. So I'm super excited to unbox all of these. So let's chat in, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, we're going to start with the iPad Pro here. We're going to unbox this first. So this is the 11-inch version. There is the 13-inch, was it 12.9 inch, I believe. This is a 2 terabyte storage iPad Pro, which is crazy. Got our iPad here. You got your usual booklets of instructions, stickers. Oh, okay. So it's actually a braided cable. So got a braided USB-C charge cable, which is perfect, as well as our power brick. Let's peel this open. Ooh, so it's the space gray color we've got here. Oh, how do I even rip that thing? I hate such because I don't want to get fingerprints on the screen like instantly, but yeah, there you go. You can see that all its glory right here. So actually got two cameras on here. We've got the wide and the ultra wide. First impressions, it feels super light. Feels really nice actually. A little bit about the new iPad Pro. So it has the M2 chip. Its CPU is actually 15% faster than the last iPad Pro, which was with the M1 chip, which was powerful enough as it was. It has a 10-core GPU, which makes that 35% faster graphics performance, and with a 40% faster neutral engine. So, you know, I ain't gonna lie, to me, a lot of that I don't quite understand. I understand the CPUs and the GPUs just to being a gamer and having gaming stuff, but yeah, a lot of it is but it has a lot of really cool new features on it.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so it's all set up now. It's looking very nice and sleek. Obviously, you get your standard apps which come with this, like, you know, your GarageBand, your iMovie, you know, that kind of stuff. First thing I'm noticing though from this is the screen so incredibly bright. It's really nice. It looks really cool. Okay, so the camera on this, so it says you can like basically record in ProRes, but here's the thing, you actually need to have a special app for that. So that's great, but you need to go get a third party app. So that's a little bit of a letdown. I mean, unless you're filming using this specifically for filming and everything, you know, it's great to take your photos, but I mean, for me, I'm probably not going to use my iPad Pro for filming everything. It's pretty big. I'll probably stick to using, like, I'm using my phone right now in cinematic mode. So that is probably what I will be doing. More speakers here, which is great on the thing. So I'm looking forward to actually trying to edit some videos on this. I want to actually work on this for like a week, like using this just for my work. I'm going to leave my MacBook Pro aside, and I'm literally going to be using Final Cut Pro to edit my videos. Even this video is going to be edited on this iPad. Unbox the pencil. Just fits here. It's nice and sleek. I love it already. It feels really cool as well. Is it like charged yet? I think you have to charge it, right? So take all the little bit of plastic around this. So it's the only actually product I've seen with actually using plastic, to be fair. Yeah, literally just clips onto the side, I believe. Yeah, just like that. And starts charging instantly, which is cool. There is meant to be a hover feature where everything starts moving a little bit. Let's unbox this. This is actually quite heavy. This is the Magic Keyboard. So okay guys, this is probably going to get filthy. This is a white case. Oh my gosh, really finally with me. You know what I'm like, I'm the worst. Okay, so we've got a load of instructions there telling us what to do. I'm probably obviously going to ignore that because it's so does this, I think this literally just locks into place, right? See, that is so cool. Like that just literally locks into place like that, and that's it, it's done. I think I would have been better with like a space gray one, but this looks and feels super cool. That actually feels really nice. That moves really, really well with the trackpad and everything like that. So just opening up something like Apple TV. We don't have notifications. Yeah, so that looks really, really cool. I like that. That feels super, super smooth. It feels like I'm using a MacBook at this point. I'm actually looking really forward to working on this, like, and editing the video on this too, because this just feels super, super cool. Everything's so fluid as well. Like when I'm just swiping here, it feels really good. Guys, yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Apple, for sending me this. There's going to be another video coming up shortly where I'm going to sort of show off everything I've been doing on it, how good it is, the functional wise. So it's just a quick unboxing. I hope you liked it, and I will see you all on the next video. Stay tuned, because I'm going to be showing off just how powerful this is once I've got it all set up and ready to rock and roll. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. Take care. Peace.